So you said that you were working in a warehouse, and I know how it works. Sometimes you get home real tired.
Yeah.
How did you do to get the work down after work and stuff?
So personally, I did not see my family on Wednesdays and Sundays, like at all. Like I got two boys. They're older now, young men, but that was a conversation. You're just not going to see me. So when I was getting up early, obviously they're asleep. When they're going to sleep, I'm already up. So I technically did not see my family on Wednesdays and Sundays. Sundays, or matter of fact, Saturdays and Sundays, I took that as a work day. So I would treat those labs in Colaberry, whatever it was, I would treat that as a work day. I would literally get up around 4 o'clock in the morning, eat some breakfast, and then do the lab. Watch a motivational video, get geeked up, right? I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. And then I'll go do a lab, right? And then take a 15-minute break, jump on it again, take a lunch, jump on it again, take another 15. So between Saturday and Sunday, I'm literally spending all day just hammering it out. But that only worked because I had a conversation with my family and I let them know ahead of time, look, I'm not going to see y'all on Wednesdays and Sundays. So, yes, I opened up Colaberry several times and I closed Colaberry several times just because that's the only time that I was able to get stuff done. My work hours was 5 to 5, and that's not counting the time it takes just to get out there. So that's 12 hours default of me working, and then tack on another 2 just for travel. So yeah, when I get to Colaberry after work, I'm smelling like straight Dr. Pepper and a pack of Black and Milds, right? So um, it's just what it was, and I'll just be up late hammering away. I got used to running off of 5 hours sleep. That's pretty much average now, is me running around off of 5 hours sleep. But you're only going to get that either before or after. That time for you to get some work in is going to happen early in the morning or late at night, especially if you have a family, especially if you have a full-time job. So there's no, oh, I'm on lunch, let me hammer out 30 minutes. That's not going to work. You know it takes an hour just to warm up and figure out what the hell you're doing. So normally, a lot of that work happened when everybody was asleep, early in the morning or late at night, um, running off of monsters and energy drinks, just pushing through. But I just told everybody, look, um, I rather miss the Cowboy games this year so we can be at the Cowboy game next year, right? So I just took it at that. I just charged it to the game, let everybody know what was going on, and running off of 5 hours sleep, whatever it takes at this point. But the biggest days were Saturday and Sunday, and I took that as a work day. So